Bots on Discord are helpful artificial intelligence that can perform several useful tasks on your server automatically. It can welcome new members, ban the troublemakers, and moderate the discussion so you don't have to. Now, if you're wondering how to add bots to Discord channel, well, I'm here to show you just that, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to any browser and then type in top.gg at the search bar and press enter. So you'll be taken to a website where there are multiple bots right here, every single one that you can add. And right now it's showing me the top bots. You can just go through it, and if you want the new ones, if you want to see which ones are new, you can press on new. And if you want to search for a specific bot, you can do that right here through the search bar. But before you do any of that, make sure to log in right here at the top right corner. Press on login. So once you've logged in, you can just go through whichever bot that you want to add to your Discord server. So I'm just going to press on this one. And then press invite right here, highlighted in red. So once you've done that, right here below where it says what it will allow this developer of Node to do, you can see add to server. So click on this arrow right here and then just tap the server that you want to add this bot to. So I'm just going to select this one and then press continue right here. So now you'll see all the things that this node can do. It can kick members, ban members, all these things. So you can just go through this and manage the permissions of this bot. I'm just going to leave it as is and scroll all the way down, and then you'll see authorize right here at the bottom. So press authorize and then tap, if you see this, tap yes, I'm a human. And so go out of that, go to your Discord, and then go to the channel that you added your bot to. So mine is right here. And then you can just tap on this member sign right here at the top right corner. And you can see that Node bot has been installed into this server. So that's it. You have learned how to add bot to Discord channel. Now, if you want to learn more about Discord and want to know how to add roles on Discord, just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.